Hello everyone, have you ever noticed that there's a new trend in shorts about these time-lapse construction or renovation videos? Either built completely from scratch or just using whatever material there is available at use. And the numbers that this niche content is generating is just wild. For an example, let's look at this channel, recently created in January 2026, about couple weeks back, and has already getting 33 million views with over 20,000 subscribers, which is honestly insane because every piece of this content is being generated by AI. Now, putting that into numbers, at an average of 20 cents per thousand views, 29 million views could have brought in approximately $5,800. The purpose of this video is that I will show you guys how to create these kinds of niche content video from scratch, and everything that we will use here is available for free. So step 1. We will be using ChatGPT for this example, along with the prompt which I will share to you guys in the description below. You would then copy these prompts and paste it over in ChatGPT comments section. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will then generate up to 10 examples of scene to choose from. So for this example, we would choose the number 1, modern luxury mansion. ChatGPT will then generate us 2 types of prompts, which are image prompts totaling to 6 images, and 5 video prompts which we will need to generate the frames to videos later. Now with the prompts ready, I would then head over to Whisk AI, which we will use Whisk to generate the images. Or, you could also use Google Flow to generate images, but for this example we will stick with Whisk. Now in Whisk, make sure that your settings are set to 9:16 portrait mode, since the video that we want to generate is created for shorts or reels. Then, copy the prompts in ChatGPT and paste it into Whisk comment box. Whisk will then generate 2 images, according to your prompts. You could generate more if you'd like. For this video, I would choose the right-hand image, hit download and then click on the Refine tab. This would help to generate the second image perfectly. With that, head back over to ChatGPT and copy the second image's prompt and paste it back into Whisk. You then will have the second image generated successfully, as now you can see that there is some construction machinery working on the site. Just repeat the same process as earlier. Download, head back and refine the new image and paste the next prompt until you've successfully exported all the images prompt. This whole process should take approximately 3 to 5 minutes depending on your connectivity. Now that we have completed the image generation process, these are the 6 images that was being generated by Whisk AI. We then have the resource to create the videos from this images by using Google Flow. The video prompt as shown here is to be using image 1 and image 2 as the reference point. So we just copy the prompt and head over to Flow, click on New Project and select Frames to Video mode. All the settings should be in a 9:16 portrait mode. The key here is to remain consistent with our formats. So, for the first attachment, we will select the first image, which is the cleared empty land. And same goes for the second image reference. Don't forget to keep the settings at 9:16 also. We then head over back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt, paste it in, and hit enter. If the video generation failed, just hit on retry and give it some time. So here's the end result of our first video prompt. You could see that the image now is coming to life. So we then repeat the same process as earlier. This time, choosing the second image as first reference and uploading the third image. This will be then to generate our second video. Let's fast forward this process and jump over to the end result. Here's the video after we've edited it using CapCut, adding in music generated by Suno AI, using our music prompts.
Steam from the break, shoes on the doorstep, I'm more than late. Jacket half button, coffee to go, humming that rhythm, I'm starting to glow. Maybe it's old terrier, tugged in my sleeve. Well, you rushing, I got joy to leave.
And that's all for this tutorial. Just follow the process we did step by step and you will be able to create your niche content. Like our video and don't forget to subscribe for more.